Great gray owl is a very large owl distributed across the northern hemisphere. It is considered the world's largest species of owl by length, typically standing 24 to 33 inches tall with a 4 to 5 feet wingspan. This owl is gray with lengthwise streaks on its breast. It lacks ear stops and has a large head with large rings around its yellow eyes and two white patches near its beak, giving it a snowy mustache appearance. Great grey owl lives in dense boreal and coniferous forests across Scandinavia, northern North America. It is also known by many other names including the Phantom of the North,